Flex, man. Back with another video, man. Back with another vlog, man. We are late right now, so like, all I got is really 3, 2, 1. All right, y'all got something light on, something light, nothing too crazy. You feel me? Something slight, but look, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, man. This vlog is about to be lit. You know, we have my cousin graduation. Y'all already know what time it is, man. Look, like, comment, subscribe. Roll to 100 subscribers, bro. I'm talking to a mirror right now just to talk to y'all, man. Look, y'all finna see like who Homo Flex is for real. But look, y'all like, comment, subscribe again, please. Oh yeah, we're late, man. We're rushing right now. We got the flowers and shit, bro. We couldn't find parking for nothing, but look, everything took right now, man. This shit crazy, bro. But I'm gonna catch you in the next clip when we actually inside the graduation. Sorry, I'm trying to talk fast, but gotta go. Y'all, we here, man. But we super late, but I mean, they still haven't called her name, so we're good. Got the flowers. Y'all, her role is next. She's about to get called, man. Yo, I'm so excited, man. I'm so proud of you, Nay. You know, this is just the beginning. More things are coming, man. More things are coming. God bless you. Yesterday, they about to call her right now. Her role is right coming up right now. I'm about to show y'all. Y'all heard me. I was going crazy. I ain't gonna lie. Hey, congratulations, Nay, man. We here for you, man. We lit tonight. We lit. We got a lot going on. Y'all about to see what's up, man. Yes, sir. Yo, Nay. That's not Nay, is it? Yo, Nay. That's not Nay, bro. Bro, you gotta scream it for bro, that's hey, yo, what the fuck? That's not her. Boss call, y'all. That was not Nay. I mean, that was Nay walking on the stage, but the person that, you know, I'm gonna show y'all right now. The person that just walked through, that was not her, y'all. I'm sorry, y'all, but look. We're just so excited. Any person we see that look like her, we're gonna say, yeah, Nay. Yeah, we here, man. Yeah. Y'all, let me show you something that just happened. Like, so funny, bro. Not even funny. It's kind of annoying. These glasses so cheap, bro. You see? let me not expose them. Yeah, no, I mean, I put it together, but look, watch this. That bitch is broken already. Look at. Yeah, y'all know what time it is. Bam, they back fixed now. You know what I'm saying? Oh man, but look, tonight we about to be so lit. I'm not drinking nothing. I don't drink. I don't cap. He said I'm capping. Watch me. Y'all gonna watch me, bro. Hold me by it.
Look, if he drinks, you gotta give me like $20.
If I drink, I'm gonna give him $20. Let's do it. Bet. So look, y'all heard him. But if I don't drink, you gotta give me $20. Yeah, see, now you wanna do that thing. But yeah, bro. So we gonna be lit sober. No drinking, no liquor, no nothing. Not eat, like, you know, the toast. I'm gonna do the toast, but I'm not gonna drink. You feel me? I don't know if y'all can hear me though, but yeah. And here they go with this bullshit.
That's my jam right there.
Yo, yeah. Congratulations. Yeah, big grad. Yes, man.
Hold on, let me get you on the vlog real quick.
I'm vlogging too. That's crazy.
We are vlogging.
Oh, they go to graduation.
Here go grad.
Girl. Yes, sir.
This man said graduation. Never come here, bro. This place right here is like the worst place to go to. Do not come here, bro. Bad service. Do not come here. What is it called? That's what this place is called. In Tallahassee, Florida. Do not come here, you guys. What's good, y'all? We're back with another clip, man. I'm not gonna lie, bro. There's a lot going on, bro. That clip that you saw in the, like right before this one, bro. They actually went in our room and grabbed our stuff and put it out, bro. So, bro, do not go to that hotel, man. If you in Tallahassee, Florida, do not book that hotel. Bro, they're disrespectful. They're rude. Bro, the lady was talking so crazy to us. But you know what? Karma is a motherfucker. Bitch, man. It's gonna come back to her. So, but look, we're on the way right now to the club. I guess they said it's like a classy little spot. You know, I got my little button up or whatever. I'm chilling, man. I'm not even really in the mood to even go out right now. Honestly, I'm tired. I want to sleep. The lady pissed me off. They touched our stuff. Now we gotta, like, you know, share a room. It's like a whole lot going on, bro. I'm not in the mood to go to the club, but just to support my little sister, man. I gotta do it, man. I gotta go out just to support my little sister. I'm gonna go out just for her. I'm still standing on. I'm not drinking. I'm not touching anything. I don't want to be involved in none of that stuff. If I'm not on vacation, I'm not turning up for real. You feel me? But yeah, man. I'm really. I don't know how I feel right now, bro. I don't know how I feel right now. I don't know what I want to do, but no, that's enough yapping, bro. Hey, see y'all at, I don't know what they said, top tier, top flight, or whatever it is. Glee. So y'all, we're here. We made it to, it's called Top Flight Club. I'm not gonna lie, I see people leaving and shit, so I don't know if it's like gonna be lit, but I'm finna show y'all what it look like though. I'm walking right now. Get out of bed, bro.
If he right here with me, turn up my niggas. How many options really got? I mean, there's too many options. I'm finna pass on this body of John Stockton. Beat your ass not the Bible, you gotta watch it. Sometimes you gotta pop out and show niggas. Certified bullet man, I'm the one that up the score with him. Won't hit down the whole time, I know he got some hoe in him. Hold on him, extra shit, I'm in the phone him. Say Drake, I hate it like I'm young. You better not ever go to cell block 1. To any bitch that talk to him and name love, just make sure you hide your little sister from him. They tell me Cheryl's the only one that get your spin, 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 spin. I said, baby, y'all was spinning, I was in the school, all my things are you.
Shout out to my Leos in the building. One time for all my graduates in the building.
I was bad in fucking school. Nah, time to drop the shit. Jamar, the last stole, man, shoot, 1250. You want to argue life? All you gotta do is get in with me.
Do a somersault. I ain't fucking on. I done seen 100 fall. I do a somersault. Your phone like a turkey, nigga. Fucking ball. You know you a worker, nigga. I'm a fucking splurger, nigga. I'm a dope server, nigga. Real street, nigga. Four whip swerver, nigga.
When I bought the Rolls Royce, they thought it was. Then I bought that new Ferrari, hey, the rest in peace to the. When I bought that Aston Martin, I thought it was raining. Flexing on these niggas, when I pop out on this speed, doubling in, that's my team.
That pussy butter, that's a water, let me serve the game. You know I fucking bitches see me, man.
Right now, all I need is one blue dot to be in my tie. I don't need no link, bitch, I'm in my high. I make it rain, get off in my ride. You the other side, and you know we do that.
Yeah, they from South Florida. Shout out to Dade County, Brown County, Palm Beach in the building. What you gonna do, Ronnie? My dog picked up the phone while he was still bopping. Now he on that bitch. Made the call. My dog picked up his phone in the middle of bopping and made a call.
Good morning, Flex gang. Hey man, it's the next day. You know, y'all seen the club. We was vibing, chilling. Woke up, my stomach hurting. You know, let it out though. You know what I mean? I let it out. But we headed to breakfast right now. The hotel got free breakfast, so we finna check it out right now. See what it looking like. Let me show y'all what it looking like. Man, my stomach hurting, bro. A little crusty too. Got a little breakfast, a little something like snacks. Snacks or breakfast. Juice. Ain't nothing crazy. But oatmeal probably. Yeah, that look nasty. Eggs, I'm not eating that. Oh no, canned fruit is crazy. Y'all, I'm sitting here and you see like, bro, Julio Fulio still posting on Instagram. And you know what that means? They about to clone that nigga, bro. They about to clone him. You believe that, bro? They clone Tyrone. They clone Fulio. Fulio. I'm telling you. Real soon he gonna drop a song like, oh, y'all can't kill 6. He never died. They gonna call me a clone because I never lied.
Do me a favor. Shut the fuck up.
Bro, they got this little ass gym, bitch. Bruh, literally little ass gym. I mean, I ain't finna work out for real, you feel me? We just ate, so I can't really work out too much. I can't really do too much, but feel me? I'm gonna do a little something. I'm gonna show y'all a little something, a little strength. Show y'all a little strength, you know what I'm saying?
Do a 10-minute walk.
Wait, whoa.
Do a 5-minute run.
Whoa.
The fuck are you doing, bro?
I'm working out.
Man, training to, do some other shit, man. What the hell are you doing, bro?
Hey, that's some hip thrusts, man. Some girls wanna get their feet right.
Hey, man, y'all stay away from him, man. That's how you end up pregnant. The fuck I'm doing, bro?
Whoa.
J-ass, bro. Bro. This nigga gay, bro.
Yeah, I was stretching my knees.
This nigga gay, bro.
I was stretching my knees.
Like you fucking...
No. I was, look, that's called, that's for the calves, man. You feel me? That's for the calf muscles. Look, you go like this. Look, go like this.
You gotta make that sound with it, bro?
Oh, that's opening up my lungs. You know?
I'm gonna get out of here, bro.
What's up, vlog? Bro, I thought we was coming here for a graduation only. Now we out here moving the graduate out of her apartment, bro. Bro, sweating bullets. It's about 100 degrees out here in Florida. Bro, this heat not for the weak, man. I'm sweating. Oh, man. Bro. Send help. Send help. Look, I blinked twice. Oh, I don't know. Tell me how many times I blinked in the comments, bro. Look at that boy. Yeah. Put in that work. I had to change my clothes, man. Y'all seen that?
What's about to fall?
What's about to fall? Bro, shit green, bruh. No way he just... no way he just left me with this. See? This is why you gotta do stuff and then disappear, bruh. Because niggas like him gonna give you more stuff to do. Hey, come take this, bruh. Dang, bruh. No, you come take the stuff.
Bro, go, you right there, bro.
Bruh. Alright, y'all. Hey, yo, what the fuck?